That sounds amazing. Oh, that's a nice color. It's a Smirnoff screwdriver. We didn't plan on this, but we've had nothing good today, so I think we've earned it. Smirnoff does make pretty good vodka. 5.8%, not that strong actually. Smells of orange juice.
Yeah.
Smells quite nice actually.
Anything?
We're not even bothering with a glass for these because we're just fucking sick of nasty beers. I'm fine with this. It tastes like a Sunny D.
I can drink that.
I'm okay with that. I'm perfectly okay with that. I have no problems with the Smirnoff Ice screwdriver.
Most Smirnoff stuff that I've tried are pretty good.
Yeah, Smirnoff has their shit together.
Some people's gonna be like, "That's a chick drink. Y'all drinking chick drinks."
I don't give a fuck.
I don't either.
Sit in this chair, drink the shit we've drank today, and tell me you would turn this down. That's pretty damn. I could happily drink these, and it's kind of hot out, so that's nice and refreshing.
Yeah.
Nice and citrusy, nice sourness to it. Little bit of sweetness, but not like it tastes like a Sunny D. That's what it tastes like.
Very good.
Give you some of this Sunny D. Beats dick. Oh, that's cold. Oh, they might be getting a cavity. That hurt. That was good. 7 out of 10.
Yep.
Why not?
I like that.
Really?
It's over, okay? Just let it go.
Okay. We'll see you next time. Or something. I don't know.
I'm not happy today, dude.
That would have been a great day for us. A long way up, Paul. Where are you? There you are.
He's recording it! He's recording it!
Oh shit, that motherfucker. Oh my god!
That was good for you. Builds character.
Go, 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 go! Hurry, hurry!
Oh shit.
That's lovely.